We were sent this queen size bed frame for our review, and my husband just finished putting it together. It does come in different sizes, so of course you can get your full and your king size as well. This one clearly is the gray, but it also comes in a beige. One of the things I really love about this is that it is a metal bed frame, but it's really cool because all along the sides you actually don't see the metal like you see the gray fabric, and I think that is really neat. And of course you have that up here on your headboard, and then up on here you've got this great little shelf, which is nice. Of course you can put some little decor, you can put your phone, you know, you've got your plugs here, you've got your USB as well. The other thing that I don't think I've ever seen on a bed is on the side here, you've got these little like pockets. So you have one on each side, and at first I was like, oh, what are you going to do with this? And you can put a remote, you can put your phone in here. For us, you know, we have an air conditioning in our bedroom. That would probably be a really good spot to put the air conditioning remote. I think that's really cool. So here you do not need a like a box spring because it does come with the slats, which is really nice. And these are all Velcroed down. So they're like stuck together, and like they're all on this like long piece of Velcro. You have the two separate pieces, and then these will just go down here, so they will stay in place. Because right now on my bed, we don't have that, and those move all over the place, and it drives me crazy. So this is awesome. And then in the middle here, there's actually like a cushion on top of the metal so that nothing is going to be like clinging, clanging, making all kinds of crazy noises, which is really great. In the front, another thing that you don't see often is that, so this is a drawer here, and a lot of times when you have these drawers in the front, they don't fit nice and flush with the, my dog wants to be in the video, it doesn't fit nice and flush, so they're always kind of sticking out. So when this drawer is actually pushed in, it just looks like a regular like foot of the bed, which is kind of cool. And then of course you can pull this out, it is on wheels, makes it nice and easy to just grab whatever you need to and then push it right back in. So yeah, it's a really nice bed frame, solid, sturdy. As I said, couple different colors, different sizes. And if you are, and I just like really love this fabric, it just kind of makes it look a little bit fancier. So if you're looking for a new bed frame, highly recommend.